Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, I got a mail call and a tool haul coming up at you. And these tools I have gotten over the last month or two, mostly over the last 2 months, maybe 3 months. I don't think it's that long. Well, maybe I bought them 3 months ago and they've been in the process of something, but yeah, I haven't done a video dedicated to them yet, so I'm going to bring them all out and show you guys what I got. And also, this mail call is something to check out. I can't wait to unbox it and show you guys. This is from the creator by the name of Tool Rescue 911, so I want you guys to go over there and subscribe to him. He's got some great videos and a great tool collection. Tool collections, should I say. Like, it's awesome. This guy's got an awesome collection of tools. So stay tuned, guys. You guys are going to like what I have for you. So stay tuned. Thanks. Alright. Thanks for staying here, guys. Alright. First item is going to be a snap-on item. And it's going to be a crow's foot holder. And the item number is Alpha 277. So the part number is Alpha 277. So A277. And these are like about $5 on snapon.com. So if you just put that A277, and you will be able to find this, and they have free shipping on snapon.com. So that's another thing. Alright, next items are going to be from a brother of Snap-on, and this is a finger spinner that I got off of Amazon. It's made by Williams. It's a 1/4-inch finger spinner. Put it on the end of a ratchet. See if I can find a part number on it. No part number on it, but I'll see if I can find a link for that one. And then next up is going to be a little miniature tap and die set. If you've seen my throttle linkage rod video, then this is the tool that I use to make that part for my truck and make everything work. Next up is a Craftsman tool. And I got this one from Amazon also. Don't have that's what it is. Bolt out damage, but bolt nut remover set. And it covers metric and standard from 3/8 to 3/4 or 6 to 19 millimeter, 8 to 19 millimeter, I believe. So yeah, and you just put that over the nut, and then you put a wrench around there and just crank it. This isn't the socket style. So yeah, these are going to come in handy. There we go. Definitely going to come in handy. Pretty stoked to have that set. Stoked to have all my tools. Now that I have my truck back and I'm using these tools that I bought over the last year for the first time on a lot of them, it's just been really great feeling to have these tools. Next up is a locking extension set, 1/4-inch from Gear Inch. And these are I think these are probably the more popular, the best design, because they're pretty good at keeping them locked in. I have a Harbor Freight version that I like also. They're similar. And then I warrantied out some Kleins from my work, so I got these now for a backup pair. So just have those for backup, because I picked up that set from Napa, which is like $95 right now in the new magazine, where the previous one was $43. So you guys should have got in on that deal. But they come around again. So next up is going to be another Williams. These are duckbill pliers. Part number on these are PL Paul Luke 149 Charlie. So Paul Luke PL149 Charlie. So PL149C. Those are an 8-inch duckbill plier. And these are a 6.5-inch or 6-inch slip joint plier. And it's a PL6C. Paul Luke 6 Charlie. So yeah, another plier put in the collection. So and they need cleaned up. They got some shipping oil up in there. So yeah. And so I'm just gonna do a quick comparison to. I got these from Snap-on. So yeah, I got these. This was an eBay pair. I didn't actually get it from the website. And this is another eBay pair. Part number on these are 96CF. Part number 137 ACF. And then on the dikes, 87 ACF. All made in the USA. And I love these slip joints. I absolutely love these slip joints. That third option there is freaking awesome. I definitely use these and have been using them a lot lately. And they really have picked up the game on the machining of the jaws. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. They got nice pliers, Snap-on. And ba-bam! The long 1/4 inch. That's right. I got this back out of warranty. I got one from eBay, and it had some chrome chips on it, so I was able to warranty it out and get a new one sent to me. So, heck yeah. I think I paid $75 for that. I got a really good deal on that ratchet. And then I got this bad boy. This is another eBay. And I got this this was supposed to be put in for like excellent condition. It's not excellent condition. You can see the scuffs. It's worn out down in there. It's worn around there. But it's not perfect condition like how it was stated. Like perfect. Not perfect. Like you could like see how the chrome's worn off around the head here on it. But I got refunded $120 for this ratchet from PayPal. I noticed like about 3 weeks later I had the money back in my account for this ratchet. So, frickin' A. All I wanted to do was just return it, and they just gave me my money back instead. So I'll take it. And next tool is the Mityvac brake bleeder and master cylinder bleeder, and yeah, all around major needed tool. So glad to have this one-person brake bleeding test kit. So part number MV8000. I believe this was about $40 from Amazon, and they actually have this at Harbor Freight. You can get this exact kit from Harbor Freight for only, I don't remember the price, but you can use the coupon for it. And it was cheaper than Amazon. I just had a coupon for like $40-something free from Amazon, so I used it. And next up is going to be the Big Daddy 23mm for my right grip wrench set. Yeah, just another wrench to put in, so I got the extended sizes. These are freaking awesome Boss wrenches. I was able to pick this up for $7 shipped. Like, it was one of those weird Amazon things. So, I freaking scored on it. You can really lay him out with it. And last but not least, on my tool haul, I will have the mail call coming up next, is Lang Tools Multimeter Automotive. And that was the test leads that fell out. Part number is 13803. And I was able to pick this up for $52 off of Amazon. I had been watching it for several months, and it just started dropping down in price one week, and they still have one left for $56, I believe. And yeah, it's pretty freaking nice. Put the test leads in there. This actually comes out, and also you do RPMs. It's got the probe for temperature. So yeah, it's freaking sweet. $52. I think I scored on this. You guys think I scored on this? Hit that like button. So, freaking A. It's pretty sweet, guys. I will be doing some videos and breaking this out and showing you guys it. So, and yeah, and I will post the link to the very last one that's available at that $56 price. Usually, I think the next lowest price was like $85 or $88 when you included shipping. So, yeah. So, pretty stoked on all this stuff. So I'm just gonna clear this stuff out, and you guys are gonna see my mail call coming up next. Alright guys, so this is my massive mail call from Tool Rescue 911. And what I did is I traded him some ratchets for some punches and some chisels, and I believe he put some hammers in here. So let's get into it. This is awesome. Holy schmolies. Wow. Those are nice. Get them out for you guys. Let me get them out for you guys. Let me zoom in here. Wow, this is a nice one. Let's get this guy up here so he can... It's freaking awesome. I just want to say thank you, Les. Again. Like, really, I appreciate it very much. This is freaking awesome. I'm stoked. This is freaking neat. It's like what Scout Crafter made a screwdriver or something out of the other day. This is a pretty sweet hammer. I know Scout would like this, old school. Definitely gonna put this into some use. It's crazy. It has seen some use. Definitely has seen some use. Let's get you back out. Here's a Heller. It's a Dasco.
told me about these Dascos, and I've been seeing Dasco around in a lot of local stores, so it's a good brand. Nice. Definitely everybody can use one of these. Everybody can use one of these. This is a neat one. PNC. I wonder if that is Plum & Co. Proto & Co. There's another Dasco. Awesome. That's the new old stock he was telling me about. Heck yeah. Snap-on chisel holder. He's telling me about this. So, right on. Old school. PPC 5 USA. Nice. Nice. This is a neat one. This is cool. Let's get the light back on that. Definitely an interesting one here. This must be a homemade one. What do you think of that one, Scout? Bam, some more new old stock. I'm stoked on all these, you guys. I really appreciate it, Les. He set me up fast. Got another chisel. He got me a nice chisel set. There's another chisel. So heck yeah, and here's a nice roll pin set I got. Dasco. All USA. Artisan. Stanley. Old school. Made in the USA. Is this a Dasco? Oh, this is Stanley here. This is pretty freaking awesome. I'm gonna clean these up and really keep these forever. That one. There's some more of the Stanleys. It's freaking awesome. Like, this is badass. Definitely going to use this one. Definitely going to use this one. This is a Nordic. Forge USA. Oh yeah. Definitely going to use this one. Here's another Dasco. I like the colors. How about them Raiders? Chicka. Warning, wear your safety goggles. Craftsman USA, Western Forge. Right on. I like that one. It's a nice weight to it. Here's another nice. Bam. Nice stuff. Tool Rescue 911. This is who all this stuff came from. And you guys would be blown away at what he has. Like, here's another Craftsman. What's this one? NOCP. Not sure who that is. Looks like OTC. That's old school there. Another old Craftsman. definitely going to use this one. Just see how that comes out smooth there in a tip. Yeah, definitely going to use this one. They're freaking awesome. There's a Big Daddy Dasco there. Ba-bam. Freaking A. What's this guy? Another Dasco. And then I even got some shop towels. I assume they were wrapped up around this, but they were like piled up. So I can't tell you how much I appreciate Les you doing that. I hope you like those ratchets. Like the Cornwall ratchet, I think Cornwall ratchets are really nice for a 36 tooth ratchet. They're smooth, like it almost feels like a gearless ratchet. It really does. And I think I want to pick up a Cornwall 1/4 inch one here one of these days, a long 1/4 inch ratchet, just because Cornwall is basically these tools here, old school. They still do it the old way. So check out Stacy David's Gears on YouTube. He did a little thing with Cornwall and the ratchets, and you'll see how they're made. They take a piece of steel and just make them. It's really cool. Alright guys, if you like what you've seen, get over to Tool Rescue 911 and give him a subscription and view his tool hauls. You will love them. Tool hauls and toolbox tours and tool cleaning videos. Yeah. If you like Mr. P222 and Scout Crafter, yeah, you will like Tool Rescue 911. And once again, my name is Yoda Doug. Let me get a like, a comment, and a subscription if you haven't. Deuces. Thanks, guys. And thank you, Les.